Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping well at home. Today I will teach you ring the biggest and smallest number. Children, I know you all have learned the counting from 1 to 100 in KG1. But before starting today's topic, we will have a quick revision of counting from 1 to 100. There are few things that you have to keep in your mind so that you will be able to do the exercises like ring the biggest and smallest number, and there are many other exercises in maths in which you have to learn the counting properly. Okay children, as I told you that you all have learned the counting from 1 to 100 in KG1, but still I have observed that many students make mistake when we ask them to write a 2-digit number. Okay, so here I am telling you how to learn the counting first. So how will you start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now up to 9 we have 1-digit numbers. Okay, then 1, 0, 10. Here we have a 2-digit number. So we will read it 1, 0, 10. In the beginning you have to read it like this. Okay, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, and in the same way you have to read all the numbers. Now when you have learned them properly like this, then you can read them directly like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and so on. After learning the counting in this way, you can tell your parents to ask you any number randomly, and then you can write that number. For example, if they ask you 23, so how will you write 23? 23 is 2, 3, 23. Here first I am saying 2, then I am saying 3. So it's 23, 2, 3, 23. Okay, if they tell you 49, 4, 9, 49. So first I am saying 4. So first I will write here 4. Then I am saying 9. So I will write 9. 4, 9, 49. In this way also you can practice. Okay. Children, how many sketch pens I have in my hand? I have one sketch pen. If I take one more, it has become 2. So I can say that 2 is bigger number than 1. Now if I take one more sketch pen, now I have 3 sketch pens. So I can say that number 3 is bigger than 2. So what I want to tell you, that when we learned counting, what do? We move to the next number. We will start from 1. When we move from 1 to 2, we can say that 2 is bigger than 1. When we move from 2 to 3, we can say 3 is bigger than 2. When we move from 3 to 4, we can say 4 is bigger than 3. When we move from 4 to 5, we can say 5 is bigger than 4, and it will go on in the same manner for the other numbers also. Now, when we move in the opposite direction, for example, when we move from 5 to 4, we can say that 4 is smaller than 5. When we move from 4 to 3, we can say 3 is smaller than 4. When we move from 3 to 2, we can say 2 is smaller than 3. And when we move from 2 to 1, we can say 2 is smaller than 1. And it will also go in the same manner for the other numbers. Children, we have learned the counting, and we have also learned how to find out the bigger and smaller number. Now we will start the exercise, ring the biggest number. Now here in the first line we have 2 4 24, 3 2 32, 1 6 16 and 4 5 45. All these are two-digit numbers. Now what is the easiest way to find out the biggest number here? See, all these are two-digit numbers. So first we will check the first digit of each number. See here, 2 4 24, the first digit is 2. Okay, here 3 2 32, first digit is 3. Then here 1 6 16, then first digit here is 1. Now here 4 5 45, first digit is 4. So see the first digits. Here we have 2, 3, 1 and 4. And as we know, 4 is the biggest number. Okay, so we will make a circle on 4 5 45. Okay, 24, 32, 16 and 45. So 45 is the biggest number. So we will make a circle on 45. Now come to the next line. Here again we have two-digit numbers. 3 7 37, 3 4 34, 3 9 39, 3 6 36. Now I told you that for two-digit numbers we have to check the first digit. Okay, and we will find out in which first digit is the biggest. Now here see, here also the first digit is 3 3 3 3. In all the numbers the first digit is same. Now what to do? Okay, if all the first digits are same, we will check the second digit. Okay, see here 3 3 3, all the first digits are same. Now we will check the second digit. Which second digit is the biggest here? See here 3 7 37, so 7, 3 4 34, then 3 9 39, second digit is 9, 3 6 36, second digit is 6. So second digits are 7, 4, 9 and 6, and among these 9 is the biggest. So 3 9 39 is the biggest number in this line. Okay, so we will make a circle on 3 9 39. Come to the next line. Here we have 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 1 6 16, 1 2 12. Now again all the first digits are same. Okay, see first digit is 1 in each number. 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 1 6 16, 1 2 12. So again we will check the second digit in each number. See here second digit is 8, here 9, here we have 6 and here we have 2. So here 9 is the biggest second digit and the number is 19. It is the biggest number, so we will make a circle on 19. Now come to the last line. Here we have 4 3 43, 1 8 18, 2 9 29 and 3 6 36. See, all these are 2-digit numbers, and here the first digits are different. So again we will check the first digit in each number. Here the first digit is 4. Here is 1. 1 8 18. 1 is the first digit. 2 9 29. First digit is 2. 3 6 36. First digit is 3. So which first digit is biggest here? 4. Okay. So 4 3 43 is the biggest number here. So we will make a circle on 4 3 43. Now we will start the next exercise. Ring the smallest number. Now in the first line we have the numbers 2 2 22, 3 7 37, 4 9 49 and 1 7 17. All these are 2-digit numbers. So first we will check the first digit of each number and we will find out the smallest first digit and then we'll make a circle on it. So here in 22 the first digit is 2, in 37 first digit is 3, in 49 first digit is 4, and in 1717 first digit is 1. As it is the smallest, so we will make a circle on 1717. Next line we have 3 5 35, 3 2 32, 3 1 31 and 3 3 33. Here again all the first digits are same, so we will check the second digit of each number. Okay, so and we will find out the smallest number. Now here in 35 5 is the second digit, in 3 2 32 2 is the second digit, 3 1 31 1 is the second digit, and in 3 3 33 second digit is 3. So the smallest second digit is 1. So the smallest number here is 3 1 31. So we will make a circle on 31. In the next line we have the numbers 2 0 20, 1 6 16, 1 3 13 and 1 2 12. Now here when we check the first digit, 2 is the bigger number, and here 1 6 16, 1 3 13 and 1 2 12. Here the first digits are same. So in these three numbers we will check the smallest second digit. So here second digit is 6, in 13 second digit is 3, and in 12 the second digit is 2. So here this is the smallest number. So we will make a circle on 1 to 12. Now last line we have the numbers 4 6 46, 2 9 29, 1 1 11 and 2 5 25. First we'll check the first digit, which is the smallest first digit in each number. Here in 46 first digit is 4, in 2 9 29 first digit is 2, 1 1 11 first digit is 1, and 2 5 25 first digit is 2. Among all these digits 1 is the smallest digit, so 1 1 11 is the smallest number here. So we will make a circle on 1 1 11. So children, I hope this video will help you to learn the smallest and biggest number. Thank you.